Now guys, this is how to open the M65 mouse. First of all, you got two screws here. One will be here, the other one will be here, which is here and here. You remove those two. I've removed the weight just in case if there was extra screws underneath them, but there's not. Now the way to pop, the top part open like it is now, you just have to pry on the side, like here, just here. That will be nice and flush, right? Like it is now. So what I've done, I've just pried it from here slowly, nice and easy. One side, it popped. Then what I've done, I have pried the other side here. And now just the whole mouse start to lift off, as you can see. So this is how I'm doing it right now. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand. Should pop straight up. Now, okay, that's just I had to use two hands for that. But this is how it looks like. Okay, once you've opened it up, because the white part is clipped onto the bottom part. So now the other part you need to watch out for is this one here. See the transparent one here? Well, here, so let me zoom it in. This one here. This one here. See the black ledge? That's exactly where it's clipping onto the transparent part. So take your time, nice and easy. Just open it up, and you should see something here. About here. See if I can see it. There it is at the back here. So yeah, it's definitely this one here. Once you pop that up, that should be all good. So I do apologize if the video stop and start. It's because I need to use two hands. Okay guys, I've got the other part open now. See, it just came off of this part here. Okay, that's just a reflector for the LEDs. So all you need to do is to if you can, make a picture of those connections, because you got a ribbon which is on this side here, on this side here, and on this side here as well. So what you need to do is disconnect that connector, that ribbon, that connector, and that ribbon here. That should give you free space to that. Now this video is just to show you that the middle wheel is having problems with the clicking. As you can see, there's a lot of residue of plastic being burnt out, and yeah, gonna clean all that off and make sure this one sticks, because every time I click I really have to press really hard in order to get a click out of it. So I don't know if you can see it here. See the way it has chewed it off. Of course, manufacturer's default tag. See that is focus on it? No. That's the best I can get. Alright. Okay, I just finished disconnecting everything. As you can see, this is the part here. I've done it another way where I left all the connectors. And the two ribbons which are here, this one here, and this one here, are the two that are disconnected. And this is the only cable that I've left disconnected off the top of the mouse to get it off. Now please take extreme precaution when you do this, because those little clips here, they need to be lifted up on both sides. So you lift up one side slowly, the other side, and same thing with this one. Just push it forward like this. Get your screwdriver in there, or a flat blade. I do recommend a precision flat blade. I've used this one to do the job. So I do have myself a precision kit, as you can see here. I've got all the tools and all that I need, the extenders and all that sort of thing. So get yourself one of those and you can fix almost anything with it. So that's it, for now. I'm gonna pause the video again and see what I can find out for the fix. Now what I find out is that the tag switch, it's called a tag switch, it's actually here, this one here. This is the one causing me problem here. Sorry about the light. Let's get it there. So this one here, right here. This is the one causing me a problem right now. So I'm just going to find out if there's a dry joint under the board. But in order to do that, I'm just going to remove the screw that's here. Hang on, let me focus. The screw that's here and here. Watch out for that little earthen pin because you need to put it back about here when you're finished. So just move it out of the way. And then you're gonna take this board, this entire board here, out, and then flip it around. Okay guys, I've removed the board. The board was literally sitting like this. It's lifted up straight up, and I've looked, at the base of it. Look where that tack switch here had a dry joint on it. So you'll have those two pins here, one here, one here. So when I look closer, there was no dry joint. So I did have a very careful look about it. So there's no dry joints whatsoever, and it would surprise me if there were, but I just had to check. So it looks like, hopefully, because I really have to press hard on this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a bit of a dust blower inside. Otherwise, this tack switch is going to have to be replaced. And as you can see, look at those beautiful LEDs making those beautiful colors. Don't we love this mouth? Amazing, isn't it? Wow, since 2014. Yeah, well, you think you buy a good product and you end up fixing it at the end. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna make another video which is actually a tutorial where I'm gonna be taking picture by picture as I'm putting it back and explaining it backwards and forwards. Thanks guys for watching. I'll make another video when I fix it. Thank you, bye.